It's 3 a.m. You're exhausted. Your eyes are heavy. But your brain? Your brain feels like it just drank 3 shots of espresso.
You've tried the dark room. You've tried the white noise. You might even be popping one of these, a magnesium pill, because the internet told you it's the miracle cure for sleep. But what if I told you that the exact supplement you are taking right now might be the very thing destroying your sleep quality? Here is the terrifying truth. Nearly 80% of the population has a hidden magnesium deficiency. And if you don't fix it, your sleep won't just stay bad. It will get drastically worse, accelerating aging, spiking your stress hormones, and ruining your focus. But wait, if everyone is deficient, shouldn't taking any magnesium fix the problem? No. In fact, if you take the wrong type or take it the wrong way, you are literally flushing your money down the toilet and triggering a chemical chain reaction that keeps you awake. By the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the exact protocol to fix this deficiency overnight. But first, we need to understand the invisible thief stealing your sleep.
To understand why your sleep is broken, you need to understand what magnesium actually does. Think of magnesium as the ultimate biological brake pedal. In your body, it is responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions. But its most important job? Guarding your brain's NMDA receptors.
When you have enough magnesium, it blocks stimulating neurotransmitters from frying your nervous system. It tells your brain, hey, the tiger isn't chasing us anymore. You can relax. It also helps your body produce GABA, the primary neurotransmitter responsible for deep, restorative, paralyzing sleep. But here is the problem. Your body is leaking magnesium faster than you can consume it, and you are probably doing the 3 things that destroy it on a daily basis. Reason number 1, chronic low-grade stress. When you are stressed, even just by an angry email from your boss, your body dumps cortisol and adrenaline. To process those stress hormones, your cells burn through magnesium like jet fuel. Reason number 2, your diet is fighting against you. For every molecule of refined sugar you consume, your body requires 54 molecules of magnesium to process it. That sweet treat you had after dinner, it just robbed your brain of the exact mineral it needs to put you to sleep. And don't even get me started on caffeine, which acts as a diuretic, literally flushing magnesium out of your kidneys before your body can use it. So you realize you're deficient. You go to the pharmacy, you buy a bottle of magnesium, you take it, and nothing happens. Or worse, you feel anxious. Why? Welcome to the great supplement deception. Remember when I said taking the wrong magnesium could ruin your sleep? This is where 90% of people fail. You see, magnesium is highly unstable on its own, so it has to be bound to another molecule to survive in a pill. If you look at the back of a cheap supplement bottle, it probably says magnesium oxide. This is practically useless. It has an absorption rate of around 4%. The other 96%? It goes straight to your intestines, pulls in water, and sends you running to the bathroom. Not exactly a recipe for deep sleep. What about magnesium citrate? Great for digestion, but it does very little to cross the blood-brain barrier. It won't calm your racing thoughts. If you want to sleep, you need the holy grail, magnesium bisglycinate, also known as glycinate. Here, the magnesium is bound to glycine, an amino acid that acts as a natural sedative. This combination effortlessly crosses the blood-brain barrier, lowers your core body temperature, and forces your nervous system into parasympathetic mode. But wait, even if you take the perfect form of magnesium glycinate, it still might not work. Why? Because of the cofactor trap. Nutrients don't work in isolation. They are a team. You can pump your body full of premium magnesium, but if you are deficient in vitamin D, your intestines literally cannot absorb it. They act like a locked door. Vitamin D acts as the key that unlocks the cellular door, allowing magnesium to enter. And conversely, you need magnesium to convert vitamin D into its active form. If you are lacking in one, you are functionally deficient in the other.
So, how do you actually fix this tonight? Here is your exact science-backed protocol. Step 1. Cut the refined carbs at least 3 hours before bed to stop the magnesium drain. Step 2. Ensure you are getting adequate morning sunlight or supplementing vitamin D3. Step 3. 30 to 60 minutes before you want to sleep, take 200 to 400 milligrams of high-quality magnesium glycinate. When you combine these 3 steps, you aren't just putting a Band-Aid on your fatigue. You are fundamentally rewiring your biology for deep, uninterrupted, paralyzing sleep. You will wake up feeling like a completely different human being. But fixing your magnesium is only half the battle. If your circadian rhythm is permanently broken by the screens in your house, no supplement will save you. Click the video on screen right now to discover the exact 10-minute nighttime routine that forces your brain to produce maximum melatonin. Watch that next. Fix your sleep, and I'll see you over there.